First of all, great morning to all of you. It is really pleasure for me, my deepest of gratitude to the Environmental Science Department, especially Dr. Satish Kulkarni sir and his team members for inviting me here to talk on personality development. My deepest of gratitude to you all also, as you are sitting here to listen my talk. The time will unfold what I am going to talk, and if you feel somewhat lifted, encouraged after my 1 hour talk, it will be the success of this talk. So the topic today which I am going to cover is personality development through positive thinking. When we utter this word personality, everybody says personality means the way you walk, the way you talk, the dress you wear, and the etiquettes and manners you exhibit. This is personality, isn't it? Everybody talks about this. But my opinion is that, yes, these all things are included in personality, but personality is more than these things. Personality में ये सारी चीजें आती है. The way you talk, the way you walk, the way you dress yourself, the way you exhibit your etiquettes and manners, ये सारी चीजें personality में आती है. But यही सारी चीजें यानी personality, ये concept थोड़ा सा incomplete है. I feel that personality का ये सारी चीजें एक part है. Personality is more than just and this external appearance. So we will go into the details. Everybody talks about this word personality, personality, personality. What it means actually. First of all, we will try to understand ये personality है क्या. The definition of personality says it is the deepest ingredient. It is the deepest ingredient and enduring characteristics exhibited by the person. अगर हम थोड़ा सा आसान सी डेफिनेशन के तरफ जाएंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि ये पर्सनालिटी होता क्या है. The personality is nothing but the uniqueness in an individual. That characteristics, or I will say that unique characteristics which will make he or she different than other is called as personality. We usually talk about various personalities. Just take an example of Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. As soon as I uttered the word Mahendra Singh Dhoni, everybody have thought of him. He is a cool and calm captain of India. Everybody says Mahendra Singh Dhoni is cool. I want to ask you, in one night, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has become a cool captain? No. Since his career of say 10 years, 15 years, he has shown certain characteristics on the ground. Whatever may be the situation in which India is on winning mode, the situation in which India is on losing side. In both the adverse conditions, he always have maintained his cool and calmness. Means जैसे मैंने पहले बोला, personality मतलब दूसरा तीसरा कुछ नहीं है. For a long period of a time, आप जो अपने behavior का pattern show करते हो ना, आप जो अपने thoughts का, feelings का pattern show करते हो for a longer period of a time, उस pattern को personality कहते हैं. Personality ला दोन aspects असतात. एक aspect असतो internal, एक aspect असतो external. हे जे मी आतापर्यंत बोलत होतो ना, external aspect होता. The way you dress, the kind of physique you maintain, the physical exercise you do to keep your body in shape, ये सारा external aspects में आता है. इंटरनल एस्पेक्ट्स क्या होता है पर्सनैलिटी का? द वे यू आर थिंकिंग, आपके अंदर जो माइंड है ना, वो कैसा सोच रखता है, दैट इज एन इंटरनल पार्ट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी। क्यों हम माइंड की तरफ इतना ध्यान दे रहे हैं? क्योंकि ऐसा कहा जाता है, जो आप सोचते हो ना, वही आप बनते हो। द वे यू थिंक यू बिकम। आप जैसे सोचते हो वैसे ही आप बोल। ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूं, दीज आर द फेमस सेइंग्स ऑफ गौतम बुद्धा। बुद्धा म्हणता, जैसे आपके विचार होंगे वैसे ही आप बन जाओगे। दैट इज व्हाई इन आवर इंडिया, in our spiritual literature, you will find emphasis is given on thinking, emphasis is given on thoughts which are generated into our minds. आपल्या मनात जे विचार जनरेट होतात ना, त्याच्यावर आपल्या स्पिरिच्युअलिटी मध्ये खूप मोठ्या प्रमाणावर भर दिलेला आहे, एम्फेसाइज दिया गया है। नाउ वी विल डिसाइड ये पर्सनालिटी के ऊपर कैसे एस्पेक्ट करते हैं। टुडेज माय टॉक is involved or is comprised of a theme that thinking determines your attitude and attitude contributes for the success। मेरा आज का जो लेक्चर है उसका बेसिक थीम यह है, जैसे आप सोचोगे, the way you think which will determine how you are going to act। जैसे आपके विचार होंगे वैसे ही आप एक्ट करोगे, और जिस प्रकार से आप एक्ट करोगे वो डिसाइड करेगा आपको सक्सेस मिलने वाली है या